How to delete Facebook page permanently. So if you want to delete your Facebook page permanently, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with the pages option. Once you tap on pages, you will have all of the pages that you've created. So you just need to simply go and log into any page that you would like to delete. Once you're under the page, now you just need to simply tap on switch now and it will switch to your page. And once you've switched to your page, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. And after that, scroll down, go with settings and privacy, tap on settings. And here you need to scroll down and you will have an option of access and control. Tap on it. And here you will have an option of deactivate page or delete page. Choose delete page and then go with continue. And then choose a reason why you would like to delete your page and continue. Scroll down, go with continue again. Enter your password of your Facebook account. Once you enter your password, go with continue and your page will be deleted. So that's how you can permanently delete your Facebook page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.